Good afternoon,
Hello.
Sonia. Good
Good
afternoon.
afternoon. How
How
are
are you?
you?
I'm doing good. What about you?
I'm well. Thank you for
Right.
asking.
Right. So we are meeting for the first time, isn't it so? Right.
Yes,
So let
yes.
me introduce myself. My name is Ammu. I hail from Kerala. And I understand
Okay.
that you are Sonia Sharma, but you have not updated your profession and city. So you have to tell me that.
I am from Rajasthan,
All right.
currently living in Kathmandu.
Oh, okay. So you're talking to me from Nepal.
Right now, I'm at my mama's place in Rajasthan. Yeah.
Oh, all right. Okay, okay. Great, great. Okay. So I can see that you've taken so
Yeah,
many
with the
sessions from me.
vacations.
Are you
Yes.
able to hear me clearly? Is there some network disturbance?
Yeah, I'm using mobile data, so I don't have
That
Wi-Fi, that's why.
that is okay. But if you're not able to hear me, do let me know. I'll repeat it.
Yeah, sure, sure.
All right. So I can see this is your 60th session. So you've taken a lot of sessions. Tell
Yes.
me something about your journey. How has it been?
It's been great. I like to talk to you guys on Clapingo because all are very nice and very polite. So it's quite good. And now I feel confident
Hmm.
while talking.
Right,
Yeah.
right. Yeah, that is what you're here for. You're here to build your
Yes.
confidence, isn't it? Correct, correct.
Yes.
Absolutely. So today's topic is related to anger and how we should
Anger.
manage it. Management, right? What is anger? What, according to Sonia, is anger?
According to me, anger is when someone don't behave or don't do things the way we like to do,
Hmm.
then we feel upset or we want to what we say control them with
Oh.
our desires and emotions.
Hmm.
So that is anger when they don't do that thing, so we get angry that
Right,
time.
right. Ye-
So anger is we want to control people.
Correct. So
So
you put
if
it in a
they
very
don't
nice.
behave like our way, so we become angry. So anger is nothing but being selfish, I think.
Very well put. Something happens, something which is not according to our wish, then we become angry.
Angry.
What happens when this emotion called anger arises in your body? How does your body, tell me some of the bodily changes when you become angry?
Yeah. We whenever we lose our temper, our body language is very become very uncomfortable.
Correct.
And yeah, it affect our body also, our blood pressure,
Hmm.
and uh, or our relationships also. Like if we get angry, we scold our kids. They
Hmm.
also learn the thing that we can be angry. It's
Hmm.
not the thing that is right thing to do, you know, but
Hmm.
we can control our anger. Uh, at least in front of kids,
Hmm.
so they learn from us. So
Absolutely.
they do the same thing with us, and then again we get angry. Why are you doing that? So
Hmm.
whenever
Right.
I volume up my what we say voice, my kid always says, "Mama, why are you speaking so loudly?"
Hmm.
So I just take a long breath and say, "Okay, I'm sorry." That
Hmm.
time I just focus on him, like he will also do the same, so I have to control my anger. Then only can tell him that anger is not a good thing for
Correct.
us.
Correct.
But yeah,
Maybe.
sometimes
Hmm.
anger is a good thing. It's not like we don't have to show our anger.
Hmm.
Sometimes situations are different.
Hmm.
We have to if we are not angry deep within, if we are self controlled, then we have to show up without or act like that, because that time it is necessary. And there is one more thing with anger. We do more when we are angry.
We do what more?
Work, like if we are angry with our situations. So we try hard to come out from that situation, so we can change our anger to opportunity or to build up something.
Right. You said a lot of points. Your perspectives are very good. I mean, your viewpoints. You told me a lot of sides, isn't it? To one small little word, anger. You gave me a lot of dimensions to it. All right. Now, coming to anger, can you give me an example where you lost control of yourself and you later regretted it?
Yeah, as I told you in front of my kid. Yes, sometimes we get frustrated with things, don't do this. If we are into something and they come and say something again and again, do this, that. So we are into something, we are focusing on something, then we just, please don't do this or don't do that. We always do things like this. So yeah, that time I do without in conscious mind, and then I regret. I don't have to behave like that in front of him, at least. So yeah, that time I regret.
Right. Okay. Now, what do you normally do for anger management? You told me we can control anger. That's one sentence that you said, isn't it? That anger is not really necessary. We can control it. How do you normally control anger? You as a person.
I just, I feel, whenever I feel angry, but I think about that things like why I am angry. So what if I am the opposite side? Like, what I don't do the things the way other people want to do. I also do same thing, no? So I think about that, and we just have to be conscious about things. Then we can change our anger, everything, We have to be conscious about people around us, how they behave. We have to be conscious about ourselves also. When we are conscious about our movements and behaviors, we feel same about other people's also. People also. They have also same mindset and same upbringing. So yeah, after that we can do meditation also. Meditation is also good for our emotions, emotional intelligence. Yeah.
Right. So whenever you're getting angry in that moment of anger, are you able to control it?
Not right now, but I feel like we can. Like sometimes after 2, 3, or 4 seconds, I feel like, oh, I don't have to do that. Right. If we regret immediately, so we can be conscious about doing or saying something. Yeah.
Absolutely. Correct. All right. Now, I thought I'll just share the observations in between. So whenever you're not getting suddenly a vocabulary, open the chat box, click on the chat window.
Okay.
I have just sent you a phrase, what we say. So suddenly when you're not getting vocabulary, you're saying it loudly. What we say, that is not required. Try to bring it down. That is in your mind. You're asking yourself, oh, what should I say? How should I say it? But you're telling it openly to the listener. That is, keep it in your mind. Don't say it loudly. That's all. Then breath. Whenever I'm angry, I take a deep breath. It's not breathe, breath. Your breath. Take a deep breath. Correct. Okay. And another observation I would like to share. See, if you want, you can watch the recording. Sometimes you start the sentence. You'll say 3 words. After that, you will start the next sentence. So I as a listener, I am waiting for the first sentence to be completed, and suddenly you will just leave it and start another sentence. So I am still at the first sentence. So I'm getting a little confused. Oh, okay. Then in middle, I'll think, okay, maybe she has started a new one. So that confusion should not be given for the listener. I'm just
Okay.
telling you, that is an observation. All right.
Okay.
So whenever you're speaking in English, focus on your words. So let's say you started a sentence. You're
Hmm.
not getting a word to complete it. That is okay. Tell the listener, let me rephrase and start the next sentence. Tell the listener, let me rephrase and start the next
Okay.
sentence. So the listener will also come to the second sentence. Otherwise, the listener will be in the first sentence. You will be in the second sentence. So
Okay.
misunderstanding.
Okay.
Right. So I like the way you put across different dimensions to anger. Very well said. Right. Now, coming back to anger, whose anger do you fear the most?
In my family,
Right. In my case, I fear the most my mother's anger. She's a very short-tempered person. If she's like a time bomb, if she gets angry, then everything is chaos in the house. Tell me, what is your situation?
it's my husband. He's very uh, sweet, and he always makes jokes. So when he gets angry, I feel like, okay, it's not usual.
Right, right.
Yeah.
So then we can say that he's a humorous person, isn't
Yes,
it?
he's
So
a humorous person.
he's a humorous person. He's a witty person. Right, right.
Yes.
Oh, all right, all right. So whenever he gets angry, what is it? How do you normally respond? Hmm.
I just keep quiet that time.
Oh,
He
very,
can,
very wise.
yeah. If I will speak something, he will get more angry. So I just keep quiet. I just listen to him.
Hmm.
Yeah. After some time, when he calms down, then I can tell him everything, like why you do this or that. Yeah. But that time, I just keep quiet.
Okay, why you do this? Why you did this? After the anger, when he has calmed down, when he has cooled down, you will ask him why you did this.
Yes. Why
Did
you
this.
did this?
Right, absolutely.
Why
So
are
that's
you, why
so that's
were you angry?
why you got angry. Why
Why
you
you
got
got angry?
or you can say why were you angry?
Okay.
So many ways you can say, but focus. It's not do because it's past.